Continuing our apartment tour, we're here on Seminary Grace, going to look at this garden level apartment. The Wrigley Field ballpark is just one block to the south, home of the Chicago Cubs. The CTA Addison L stop is also just 2 blocks that way. Sheffield and the lakefront is about 5 blocks to the east there. So come on in, we're going to take a look at this apartment on a quick YouTube apartment tour. It's a garden level. We're actually going to go up, but then we're going to go back down. And let's see, this building's decorated with Cubs memorabilia. We're right by the ballpark. Cubs. So come on in, this is the apartment. So it's a garden level, basement, but it's all finished, hardwood floors, hardwood oak floors. Good sunlight there, surprisingly, for a garden level. And then it's a long apartment, so we're going to go down from the living room here and take a look at the 2 bedrooms. So here's bedroom 1. It's a pretty good size, plenty of room for a king-size bed there. Got a nice little counter there for TV. There's a closet there. There's the window. There's the intercom, mini blinds on all the units. Here's the kitchen. They're just redoing it now. New cabinets, there's fridge, microwave, countertop to sit, the dishwasher. So it's a nice modern kitchen. Here's a hall closet. And here's the bathroom. It's a great big bathroom. So it's got a big countertop, toilet, shower. That's that. And here's back here, it's the back door, we'll see that in a second, but this is bedroom 2. It has a double closet, and this is a pretty good size too. There's plenty of room here for a king size bed. Show you the whole thing, there's windows in here too. So you have a king size bed or queen size bed. And this is the back of the apartment. There's coin laundry in the other section. We'll go out here. This is the back exit. And go up here and just show you the kind of back patio area. And this is the back patio. You can go out this way too. You can grill and sit back here. And the laundry room is right over there. So, and there's Wrigley Field right over there to the a block away. You can see the light towers right there. So it's great to live in Wrigleyville. Here on Grace and Seminary. Have a great day.